Hello, dear children. I am your teacher, Aram Samantha, teaching you English language as a second language. Today, our topic of learning is nouns. Do you ever heard about noun or know what are the meaning of noun? Before we start our lesson, look at this picture. Do you know who are these children and how you remember them? This is Ben 10. He is Chota Bheem and this is Spider-Man. These all are names of these children. So it means you remember them by their names. Everything in this world has a name, so all naming words are called noun. Today we learn about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. It means everything in this world has a name and that name is called noun. All these things are known by their name: bird, parrot, eggs, nest, tree, soup, fruit, coffee, scissor, rain, it's a cloud, soap, sand, bucket, snow, paper, money, bear. These all are naming words and that is called noun. All naming words are called nouns: person, place, animal and things. Okay, look at this picture. Here is ice cream, fruits, basket of fruits, pencil and balloon. These are the names of things and it is called noun. Now Qaid-e-Azam, mother, father, police officer. These are the name of different people and it is called noun. Now look at this picture. This is a police station. This is a picture of a hospital. And this is a park. These are the name of different places and they are called noun. Police station, hospital, park, they are called noun. These are the pictures of animals: hen, panda, turtle. Names of all animal is noun. So now you understand that all the naming words are called noun. Not only person, place, animal or things, but everything we can see or even we cannot see. Example: pain, air, love. These are names and naming words are called noun. Here is one activity from your junior English book on page number 1. The game of I Spy. Here's one example is given on number 1. Here is a picture of a cup. So here is a letter C is given. Open your book, page number 1. C dash dash. Now guess which word is this? C-U-P, it's made cup. Same like this. We continue with other. Look at this picture. What is this? This is a pen. P-I-N. The missing letter is I-N. Look at this picture. This is a boat. How we spell boat? B-O-A-T. Boat. These are nouns. These are the naming words of these pictures. These are things and these are noun. What is this? Socks. S-O-C-K. Socks. Which animal is this? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. What is this? This is a log. L-O-G. Log. What is this? This is a tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Which sea animal is this? Fish. F is given is there. F-I-S-H. These pictures help you in guessing the words. And these words are very simple. Which thing is this? Jug. J-U-G. Jug. Now the last one. It is very easy. What is this? It is a picture of an egg. E-G-G. Egg. You have to do this exercise in your book. Okay. Now exercise B on the same page. Which word fill the gap? The pictures are given above. It will help you in guessing the missing word. A hen laid the dash. Egg. E-G-G. The dash can bark. Look at the picture at the above. Which animal bark? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. A dash lives in water. Which animal is live in water? Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. A dash is worn on the foot. What we worn on the foot? Socks. S-O-C-K. Socks. Okay. Now do this page with the help of your parents. Now some home task. You have to find out the nouns. Name these nouns. Pictures and words are there for helping you. Now turn your book page, page number 2. Here's one activity. What am I? Here are words are also given for guessing you and helping you, and picture of the things are also given you in the book. I read this for you so you can put the correct word or noun for this word. The first word. You beat me with 2 sticks. You beat me with 2 sticks. Which thing is that? Drum. You beat the drum with 2 sticks. You lie on me when you go to sleep. Where you lie when you want to sleep or rest? On bed. B-E-D, bed. I can give light when it is dark. Lamp. Lamp picture is given there. Lamp. You open me when you enter a door. What will you open? You open book or clock? No, you open door when you enter in a room. You carry all your shopping in me. When you go for shopping, you carry your bag. You carry your bag. You look at me when you read. Now you reading and doing work. So where you looking? In your book. You look at me when you read, you look at the book. You come to me for water. You come to me for water. Here is given a picture of a tap, and tap is written here, TAP, tap. People use me for stir their tea. When you put sugar in your cup, which thing help you in mixing that tea? Spoon. 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 It's help you in mixing sugar. You may use me when you write. With what things you use for writing? You use pen, but here is also written a pen. You use pencil also. I tell you the time. Which thing tell you the time? Clock. Okay. These words have to write are the naming things. We call such words a noun. So you have to do this page in your book only and learn more about nouns. Now this is all for today. I'm sure you all understand very well that the naming words are called noun. Find more nouns in your kitchen and learn about them. Now take care of yourselves. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.